Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about how you can update your database data, right? Now, if you want to delete it, that means if you want to delete this data from your database, how you can delete all the data in this video? I will show you that things with a live example. So there have the multiple different way you can actually delete it. One by one, I want to cover it. First of all, there is one of the method as a delete one method. Okay, so with this delete one method, we can delete it very easily. If you want to delete it right now, I want to remove everything. Okay, I simply remove everything. That is our function and that is our DB. Great. So here, first of all, we have to add that as a await and into this await and then our user, because that is our user model, and then I want to run our method as a delete. Okay, delete, you can say delete many method, and also there have another one as a delete one. So I will share both of this with you. Like I say, I use that as a delete one method. And into this delete one method area, here first of all you have to use your, I want to delete it by which things? I want to delete it by like as a this ID. Okay, I copy it, I want to delete it by this ID. So if you want to delete it, first of all you have to add that as a delete. That means that will be as a underline and then ID. Okay, and this ID, which ID you want to delete? I want to delete or this ID. I simply paste it in here. So that is the simple process you have to actually do. Okay, now with this automatically that will be deleted. If you now click as a save all, right now our data as a object as Aryan, right? Now that should be deleted. If you run it with the Control C, I want to undo the node index. Now click as enter, database is connected successful. Now if you go here, now that should be gone. Now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see its data is now successfully deleted. It's totally permanently deleted from our database. Now that is actually 5. Okay, how can do that work? I hope it's very much clear to you. Now there is another method as a delete many. Delete many means if you want to delete multiple data at a time, like as a is married, when this user is married as a false, all that our false is married user I want to delete. Okay, so here that is actually the multiple one. For the reasons we have to do, we have to call our another method. Our method will be as a delete. Okay, delete many. Okay, with this delete many, I want to do which user is married. Okay, is married field is married. That is our married is married field. When this use married field will be as a false. Okay, I want to delete all the data. It should be check in our is married field which user is a false. It should be delete all that or user data. Now I simply save it, click as a save all, and now I want to execute it again as a node index. Now click as a enter, database is connected, and now if you go to our database, all that our is married false data should be deleted, right? Now click as a refresh. You can see now only they have the is married as a true, is married true, and then is married true. All our previous is married false data is now successfully deleted from our database. And also there is another method as a find by ID and delete. That means it should be find a specific sum of the ID, and with this ID it should be deleted. Okay, so now there is another one, but I show you like that will be the find. Okay, find by ID. Find by ID, here it's not suggested. Find by ID and okay and delete. You can see there is a find by ID and delete. So here only you have to do, you have to use it your ID name. Okay, so I simply loaded on the ID, like which ID you want to delete. I want to delete as a this one. Okay, I simply copy it. This ID will be as a Sharmina Afros, so that will be deleted. Now I simply added this ID in here. Now if you execute this file, click as a save all, and I want to execute it with the node. Sorry, that will be as a node and then index. Now click as a enter. Now database is connected, which is totally fine. If you now go, now this data should be deleted. Now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see the Sharmina Afros is now successfully deleted. So you can delete that in 3 different ways. I hope every part is very much clear to you. There is a find one, find many, and then find by ID and then delete. So friend, as I told you, every part will be needed. Every part is very important in JavaScript. You have to simply understand, you have to code with me, and you have to remember it. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.